When the rain starts to fall down to me, make me swim like the lazy ocean hugs the shore. Hold me close, sway me more, like a flower bending in the breeze. Bend with me, stay with me. When you dance, you have a way with me. Stay with me, sway with me. I'm about but my eyes will see only you. Only you have the magic technique. When we sway on the wings, long before it begins, make me sway as only you know how. Sway me, sway now. Kailangan ko ng kasama, kailangan ko ng kasama. Malungkot sa stage. Yep, okay. Hey. You're a foreign star, you're the getaway car, you're the light in the sun. When I go too far, you're the swing on an August day. You're the perfect to say, and you play it calm, but it's kinda cute. When you smile at me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend that you don't know it's true, 'cause you can see me when I look at you. And in this crazy life, and in these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing your every line, your every word. You're my you're a wishing well, and you light me up when you ring my bell. You're a mystery, you're from outer space. You're every minute of my every day. And I can't believe that I'm your man, and I get to kiss you, baby, just because I can. Whatever comes our way, oh, we'll see through. 'Cause you know that's what I love can do. In this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you. You make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything. Kamusta po kayo? Mabuti. Hindi naman masyadong mainit. Okay na. Sabayan nyo naman ako, sabayan na. So, mas malakas pa! Dito naman! So, Kamusta po kayong lahat? Mainit ba? Yes! May inaantok ba? Alam niyo, hindi. Kaya ako bumaba dito. Lahat naman po nakakaintindi ng Tagalog, di ba? Kaya po ako bumaba dito kasi medyo malungkot sa station. Pwede ba ako makuha ng isang kasama? Dito ka. Yeah, it's okay, it's okay, sir. It's okay. What's your name? Kathy! Ang taas ng energy ni Cathy. Cathy, kamusta ka?
Okay lang.
Tanggalin naman natin yung shades mo, hindi kita makilala. Cathy, may boyfriend na ba?
Wala!
Promise, promise. Sino yung nakatingin sa atin? Ay, hindi mo kilala. Okay lang ba makingin ng kiss? Cathy, bigyan mo ang kiss yun. Ayun, picture daw. Okay. One, two. Thank you so much, guys. Maraming salamat. Mag-aalay po ako ng isa pang kanta para sa inyo. Okay lang po ba yan? Salamat. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Sa likod, okay pa ba kayo? Woo! Alright. I love you too. Sabay niyo ako, alam niyo. When I was 7 years old, Mama told me, make yourself some friends or you will be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich. Said he figured once I was 11 years old. Daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you will be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. I've always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, Something about that glory just always seemed to bore me. Cause only those I really love would ever really know. Once I was 20 years old. Before the morning sun when life was golden. Once I was 20 years old. Hey! Dito ka tayo. I've always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something. Wait na! Bakis! Once I was 20, my story got told. I was writing about everything I saw before me. Once I was 20 years old. Basta tumatakbo. Movie movies. Traveling around the world and there's the road. Soon we'll be 30 years old. Mama, I love you. I'm still learning about life. My woman, my children for me. So I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of my boys are with me, some I said I'll see glory. And some I had to leave behind, my brother, I'm so sorry. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Daddy got 61, and love the life, and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I wrote a later one. I hope soon you'll be 60 years old, but I think the world is cold. Have a lot of children you want. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Soon I'll be 60 years old when I think the world is cold. When I have a lot of children who can walk. Soon I'll be 60 years old. When I was 7 years old, Mama told me, make yourself some friends or you will be lonely. 7 years old. When I was 7 years old. Hey! Alright! Diyan sa likod! Yung sa may likod pa nitong mga tao na to. Kamusta po? Sir, you know, I think Hindi tayo maintindihan ng security, patay tayo dito. Sir, you know what? Okay, is it okay if I just jump over so I can reach the people? Go, go! Are you guys cool with it? Ang hirap ng English na speak. Sir, is it okay if I just jump over? That's cool.
No!
They're not gonna hurt me, they're not gonna hurt me. Ang bait-bait ito. Filipinos are the friendliest people. Oh! Para naman makapunta Sige, sige. Basta papabayaan niyo ako tumakbo dyan, ha? Pwede ba makanakaw ng isang halik? XL2, maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta. Sa may hawak ng banana. Okay. Tatalon po ako dyan! So, where can we pass? Where can we pass? This way?
No!
Okay, sige!
This way!
Ito po. Isa pa pong awitin. Last seated na. Okay lang po. Last seated na. Yes na yes? Alright! Music please! Nasaan ba mga in love dito? We have to go there. Minsan minsan mali. Umabalik, umatras. Halos mo nalilimutan.
Sian!
Sa aking mata pa. Di gusto ito'y mawala. Dahil ako ibigin na. So I will drop this, okay? It's okay. No, okay. Paano mo natin sa lalapit mo'y paalam. Ibigay sa kanilang iba rin pagtayo. Iba rin pagtayo. Sa likod, isa! Sa aking mata, bata pa. Miss, maraming salamat. Hindi natin naikot. Hirap sumamba. Pero magpapasalamat po ako sa TFC dahil dinala po nila kami dito. Maraming salamat. Sino gusto nyo makasama ko dito? Sino?